Ram Narayan Ram. There should be no man-made religion, constitution, or personal ownership rights on this earth. I am not promoting Ram Narayan Ram for money. Rather, I am spreading it to raise awareness in the country. Any person can join the Offspring group by donating just 1 rupee. I tell people that if you are connected to your God and have faith in their power, then show it, because I will also demonstrate the power of chanting Ram Narayan Ram. The one who has sent me to this earth is also the one who can take away my life. Therefore, I will not die from anyone's killing. I have come to this earth with religion, and my body is the religion itself. I will worship myself. I need to guide myself. How? I know that. What is the need to keep wealth for religion? If the people of the earth forcibly impose the earth's religion upon me, will I accept it? I tell all the educated people, like judges, scientists, political party members, MLAs, and ministers, to create a platform where every person can express their views. This will end people's disputes. Who gave the right to religion in the man-made constitution? The one who created man. The sky does not say, I am the owner. The air does not say, I am the owner. The earth, the water, none of these claim to be the owners. They only say, I am here for you. Why can't man understand that he is connected to nature? Humans only keep chasing money on earth. When they die, will they take their money with them? Everything they have will stay on earth. There are approximately 800 crore people on earth, and they all have the birthright that everything in the earth and nature belongs to them. Everyone has equal rights to this. Trees, plants, earth, water, and air all have equal rights. If we do not give them love and respect, will they leave us? No, they will not. There is not a single person on earth who does not have a problem. There are so many self-proclaimed religious authorities on earth, and they are all thieves. None of them is honest. I tell the government that if you join me for just 1 year, everything will be fine. There will be no religious authorities left on earth. There will be no discrimination, no ownership rights. Why are all countries running after religion when there is no religion on earth? When I go out, many people threaten to kill me. If personal ownership rights are removed from the earth, everything will be set right. The man-made religions will disappear on their own. We were born on this earth with religion, so why is there a need for a separate religion? Nature is everyone's religion, and everyone should connect to the religion of nature.